It's pretty much the ultimate of the application. Very easy to use. And here we have the AI video avatar video. Pretty much, as you can see here, explains itself. All of the results are upload a picture of yourself, and you pretty much get these results. So do make sure the images are very clear so you can get the best results possible. So that's pretty much it for that option there. You have the video AI generator, takes the video, and pretty much the image to video option there as well. All you have to do is pretty much upload your video. Also add in your prompt as well would be good. Down here you can just enter a text and it will turn that text or whatever you have in mind into a video. So very easy. And if you have any questions about any one of these that I go through, you can always comment below. Also here you have the translate or dub option. Here you can pretty much turn any video into English just by uploading it, or copy a link from YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok Reels. Anyone that you choose. You have teleprompter option there. You have the AI edit feature here. Nothing much for that. Just pretty much do like you take the storage and you just select whichever video you want to edit. Here you have the talking image. Pretty much explains itself. Recording option. Nothing much for that. You have the photo blending option here, which is pretty much this here. Nothing much for that option there as well. And down here you have some different templates. I would call these templates, which you can just follow through with. And as you can see here, it pretty much shows what each of these do. So all you have to do is just like say for example, bring images to life, which is the text, which is the image to video option. Nothing much for that. So all of these features here down here just shows you a preview of what it can do. You have the AI highlight option, which is pretty much the caption feature. All you have to do is just upload a video that you want to use this feature with, and you're pretty much good to go. Down here you have the download option, as you pretty much can see there. Shows you what to do. So everything here shows you what to do. So very easy application to use. And if you're going to add the caption, let's say similar to this video here, where it says AI highlight / zoom, all you have to do is just tap on auto caption, and it will auto caption that video for you. So very easy. You have the explore option, which can explore pretty much everything as it relates to AI. You have the what we call the product AI editor. So it'll give you your product ads looking like this, whether it be a perfume or a drink, as you can see here for these drinks. And you have some other ones here as well. You can just tap on all to see all, let's say, templates which you can use. So down here as well you can just scroll and see what you want to use, or if you have anything in mind. This one here is free, and some of them you may see free. They can be used for a limited time. They're pretty much free for a limited time, as you can see there. And you can pretty much tap on the all option here to see all of them that are available. And the list pretty much goes on, as you can see here. Not much they have on this application, but you can always go ahead and create whatever video you want using your AI application. So in the project section here, this is pretty much where all the videos that you have created using this application will show up. You can always delete them, delete any video that you want up on the video. So here you can rename it. Let's say for example, I'm going to rename it subscribe, whichever one whatever you want it, name it to as or subscribe, as you can see there. As well, I can delete that video. Yeah, so in the settings option now, nothing much here. You can see the points that you have. Do keep in mind, it will tell you how much points you will need to create pretty much anything on this application. Let me just show you real quick. Let's see if we can use one of these options here. And let me select the talking photo option, as you can see here, portrait video. So let me just select one of these. So as you can see here, it will say down here, it will tell you how much points required for you to use any one of these features on the application. It does tell you before you even use it. and then you will be pretty much seeing the start creation at the bottom. So if you don't have any points, you may need to get a subscription to get points. You don't have anything and exclusively lets you buy points as it relates to this application. You can tap on the upgrade option there. Down here you have the monthly subscription. You do get a lifetime subscription as well. And if you scroll down a bit, you pretty much will see what to be getting with the lifetime subscription, pro subscription. This is the pro subscription and the premium subscription. Vice versa comparison. You can tap on this over here to compare the free versus the pro subscription. So as you can see here, free subscription doesn't have much. So that's pretty much it for that. And you can go over here with the premium option, which does give you different features and so forth. So that's pretty much it for this application. And if you have any problem at all, you can comment below and let me know as well. You can go into the help center and as well ask the developers. They do have social media website platforms which can message them on as well. So if I miss anything at all, please comment below. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.